welcome to a new episode of the Rhebo video blog. I am Klaus Mochalski, founder and CEO of Rhebo. Today we want to conclude our series on IEC 61850 security. In the previous episodes I've talked about the security implications of several aspects of this IEC 61850 protocol, which is used for substation automation and digitalization. So what are the best practices that we observe at our customers that are deployed to protect these newly digitalized and automated substations? And here we use a protocol mechanism that has been defined all along. There is a configuration file, the Substation Configuration Description, or SCD, that is basically representing a digital twin of every physical substation. We have developed a mechanism where we can import this digital twin description file, so the SCD file, into our anomaly detection engine, and we use this as a baseline for monitoring communication inside the substation. So instead of the usual learning process that we use for our anomaly detection, we can skip this learning step and tell the system right away how the communication and the systems in the substation are supposed to look like and operate. This is a huge improvement and makes deploying these monitoring systems much easier and much faster. And it's also more effective because the substation configuration file not only describes which devices there are, but also how they behave and how they communicate and what commands they exchange. So we can not only be faster in deployment, but also much more focused on specific changes in communication behavior. This doesn't mean that we are limited by what the substation communication description tells us, but of course, if we see any communication behavior which is outside the defined scope of this file, it will still trigger an anomaly notification in our anomaly detection engine. So it provides baseline security, but it also provides security for anything that the designer, the engineer designing the substation has not foreseen during the engineering and deployment phase. So this is a very powerful tool. It helps complement firewalls that provide overall segmentation, protection against outside attackers. It basically provides a last line of defense inside of a digital substation.